Hey, what's up? In this video, we are going to talk about how to create membership product and how to sell a membership product. All right. After you have created your membership over here, what you need to do is number one, you need to click on the pricing settings. All right. And over here in the pricing settings, you can create a bundle. Okay, so let me show you what a bundle is. Alright, so after you will create a bundle, you can give it a name. Let's suppose I want to give it a name Flexi Basic. Alright, so over here, what I want to do is I want to select this particular module in Flexi Basic. Alright, and okay, this is good. So we have this bundle now, as you can see, and this is sorted. Okay, so we have this bundle. So basically you can select the number of modules and lessons that you want to be a part of a particular bundle. And let's suppose you have a one big course and you want to break that course into multiple parts. So you want to sell a particular portion of a course as a separate pricing, and then there is a full course with the with the complete pricing, something like that. Let's suppose I want to add another membership bundle, and maybe I want to give it a name which is Flexi Advanced. Okay, so in this one I will have all the modules. So let's suppose I have the basic modules, I have the advanced modules, I have this as well. So I have two bundles now, number one, number two. Alright, so we have these two modules. Alright, so next thing that you want to do is you need to click on sender information. This is where you will be able to configure the name with which the email would go to your customers. Alright, so over here, first thing is sender name, as you can see. So that would be Saurabh Bhatnagar. Sender email ID. Always use an email ID which is based on your domain name. Alright, never use an email ID that is based on, let's suppose, any free email providers, gmail.com, Hotmail, Rediffmail, Yahoo, something like that. Okay, so now the sender information is selected. Get back. Now you can create a sales page for it. Okay, so let's say sales page. So by now you have enough knowledge how to do the sales pages and stuff. So I'm gonna keep it really basic for the purpose of this training. Let's pick up a 2 column, okay? A button over here and a button over here. Alright, so this button would be for Flexi Basic, this button would be for Flexi Advanced. Alright, so let's click on publish. So our sales page is done. Alright, now let's do the checkout page. So by now you know what to do, right? You need to go inside. Okay, let's put a headline because it looks good, right? And over here you need to select order form. Alright, so now we have the checkout page. Okay, so let's come out of it. Alright, now you need to go to products. I'm opening this in a new tab. Alright, click on create a new product. This time you need to click on membership. Alright, over here let's say Flexi Basic live product. Let's give it a pricing, maybe 10 rupees. Alright, maybe Razorpay, Instamojo, let's say both. Flexi membership demo. Over here we need to select the sales page, so Flexi membership sales page, right? Then the checkout page, Flexi membership checkout page. Alright, after purchase, okay, pay close attention to this. Let's add madipreneur@gmail.com over here. Okay, support URL and support email. Okay, have a look at this. What should happen after purchase? Add them to my membership site. Select the membership site to which you wanna add. Okay, and then you need to select the bundle, which is Flexi Basic. After that, you can configure the rules if you want to pass on the data to some autoresponders. I won't do that right now, just to save some time. Click on save. So I have one product ready. I want to do another product, Flexi membership once again, and this time let's do it quickly. Flexi advanced live, maybe pricing 11, right? Payment option, okay, both once again. Sales in the checkout page, Flexi membership demo sales page, Flexi membership sales page. I mean, you can have a different sales page for your product, okay, not a problem. In my case, I'm keeping it same just for the sake of saving some time, but again, you can have a different sales page and a different checkout page for both the bundles. Alright, after purchase, again madipreneur@gmail.com over here. Select a membership project. Alright, good to go. And this time I'm gonna select Flexi Advanced and click on save. Alright, okay, so now we have both the products. Now we need to go back to projects. Okay, I clicked on projects. Let me close the other tab. Click on edit. Alright, let's click on the sales page. And now you know we need to connect the product to the button to the product. Alright, so over here we need to go to settings, go to next step in product, and over here we are going to select Flexi Basic, and in this one we are going to select Flexi Advanced. Alright, so yeah, that's it. That's just about it. Click on publish. Get back to pages. And let's have a quick test whether our page is getting published or not, whether everything is working fine or not. So a quick test. Okay, this is sorted. Let's have a quick look at the checkout page. Okay, I need to publish it once again. Okay, so we are sorted over here, and now we have this sales page. Okay, now let me open this sales page in a incognito window so that you know, it gives you the real-time example that how your users would be seeing it for the very first time, right? So and let me open this same page in a new tab as well. Okay, so in this particular tab, let's purchase Flexi Basic and let's see what happens. So if you will see, the pricing has come automatically, both the buttons have come. The product name is right over here, Flexi Basic. Let's add the email ID and let's say basic Flexi 111. Alright, pay via Razorpay for example. So if you will see, the product name has come over here automatically. Over here I need to add the email, phone number and email ID. So phone number over here, email ID over here. Proceed. Let me pay via my phone. Just a moment. Alright, so payment is done, and if you will see that the customer gets redirected to the thank you page, and the customer's access credentials are already available right over here, so they don't need to look anywhere else to find the access credentials because we have automated the process, right? They just need to click on the URL. Their email ID has been fetched automatically right over here, not a problem, and password is right over here, and they can go and sign in. Alright, they have got access to this particular program, which is Flexi Tutorials, if you will see right over here. So now let me just go ahead and click on it. Alright, so the membership that we created is right over here, right? This is the video, this is the automated text. You can of course correct it, right? This one was the content lesson, you remember. So, and this one is again the video lesson, right? So we have the content over here, and if I go to this particular lesson, if you will see, it is showing me the message that access is forbidden. So basically this is the Flexi this one basic, in which we don't have the access to these modules, right? So only when somebody is gonna click on these, this will open, and the other modules are still gonna be visible to them. So basically it will entice them to purchase the entire bundle, right? So this is the purchase of bundle number 1. Let me log out from here. Alright, and let's go ahead and purchase Flexi Advanced now. Before that, let me also show you one more thing. Over here in the normal window, let me open my Gmail. So if you remember, the access was received in the thank you page, right? At the same time, the access email is also sent to the customer's email ID. So if you will see, I have received this email. Congratulations, welcome to Flexi Basic. So you will see the bundle name is visible right over here in the subject line. The sender name that we selected, the subject line has the bundle name, right? The email has come from the email ID that we had selected over there, and to the email ID that we have, with which we have made the purchase. And have a look at this. Congratulations for enrolling in Flexi Basic. Again, the bundle name is available over here, along with the access credentials. And if you have any problem with accessing your course, please contact our support at. So if you will see that the support email ID or the support URL that you had entered in the support placeholder, it's available right over here, right? So the entire process is automated. You don't need to do anything about it. We have already taken care of it. So now let's go ahead and purchase Flexi Advanced, right? So Flexi Advanced is priced at rupees 11. Let's use the email ID advanced Flexi 111 maybe. Alright, and okay, pay by Razorpay, for example. Let me go ahead and make the purchase once again. Alright, so the payment is completed, and this time since a different user has purchased this particular program. Alright, so if you will see, this different user has received a different set of credentials. Alright, so this is a new email ID. A different set of credentials have been received, and let me go ahead and sign in. Alright, so what this user is gonna see is these modules along with the access to this module, along with the access to these modules. So basically they have access to everything. So that's how easy and that's how cool we have made the entire system. And yeah, so basically you can sell any kind of bundle that you want to sell online, and it's fully automated, so you don't need to do anything. And if you will see, I have received access for this as well. Congratulations for enrolling in Flexi Advanced. We have the email ID and everything right over here, so it's fully automated, fully sorted, and fully good to go, right? At the same time, we can do another experiment. Let me copy this email ID. Let me copy this sales page first of all, open this in an incognito window. And now let me go ahead and copy this email ID, the email ID with which we made the purchase for the first time. Alright, let me go ahead and purchase Flexi Advanced, and this time let's purchase with the email ID with which we have already purchased the basic license. So somebody, let's suppose some of your user is gonna upgrade from the basic version to the advanced version. Alright, so Saurabh, pay via, let's say, InstaMojo this time. Alright, and now see that what has happened. This time what has happened is the message that is coming automatically is this: your course access has been updated, please log in using the same credentials. So basically the course access credentials have not changed, but the access have been granted to the same existing credentials. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so the email ID stays the same. Alright, and password is this. Alright, and all these videos were already opening, so not a problem, but let's have a look at this. So now with this email ID, my course access for these modules also have been unlocked. Do you see how cool we have made it, right? So it's fully sorted. I mean, somebody is gonna purchase your complete advanced bundle, they can. Somebody gonna wants to purchase your lower priced bundle, they can. Somebody wanna upgrade from your lower priced bundle to the advanced bundle, they can, right? So everything is fully automated, the access is automated, access comes in the thank you page as well as in the email, your email ID, your course access name, everything is visible, your support URL, everything is visible in the email itself. So yeah, we have made it as cool as possible, as easy as possible for your customers to not face any trouble in terms of finding the access credentials and everything. So yeah, I mean, that's it, it's good to go.